I am going to tell you about WhatsApp credit based panel, where we can send unlimited messages on WhatsApp with button feature with 0% of number blocking. How can it be possible? How can we can send these kind of messages, and how was the panel was used? Let's just start it. Firstly, you have to log in your panel. For that, you have to go in your browser. As you can see, this is the panel's login page. As I just put my ID and password over here, I just need to put my captcha over here. So this is the dashboard of the panel. From this panel, we can send national messages, international messages, and button messages as well with 0% of number blocking, because we don't need to scan our WhatsApp over here. We don't need virtual numbers in this panel. The message will go by automated generated numbers to your clients and your customers. So there is no blocking of numbers in this panel. And as we can see over here, here are the credits we are having right now in our panel for national, for international, and for button. We can get our reports also very easily by using this national report, international report, and button campaigning report very easily. So let's just start it. So right now I'm sending a button message. So for that we have to go and send button campaigning. So this is the page of send button campaigning. Here you can see the credits are available right now. We can send these much of messages to the customer. Over here we have to put our number. We can manually type it. We can also copy paste it, or else you are having file ready like CSV and TXT, so you can also upload it. So right now I am having a file. I have just prepared it for these messages. So I am having here two numbers and I am putting over here. So I have put it two numbers, and also here I can see the count of the numbers. And now we just prepare our buttons. We are having two buttons over here, like call now. So you can put your mobile number over here. I am just typing my number, and on visit now you can put any kind of link like related to your product or YouTube link or your website link. You can put any link in this visit now column. So I am putting over here my website, and you can attach one of these files, image, PDF, and video. One of these file related to your subject or related to your business. So I am uploading right now an image over here. So I have uploaded an image. You can take PDF and video also. Now scroll down over here in this inbox. You can type a message in this box. You can copy paste it also. So my file is ready over here. So I am just copy my message and paste it over here. So my message is ready to go. I have just put my buttons ready. I have just taken my image. I have just taken the mobile numbers, and now I just have to simply do submit. As you can see over here, the message has been occurred that new campaign submitted successfully with two numbers. I have just put it two numbers only over there. Now my phone is connected with AnyDex over here. So I just open it. So we will open the message. We can see the messages, the buttons are neat and clean, the visible things very easily. Let's just go back on our panel. Now we will see our report. So for that we have to go on button campaigning report here. This is unique ID numbers 2 created by ad create and process. We can also download our report. The plus point of this panel was you can create numbers of users, you can create resellers from this panel, and also you can get an admin panel at very nominal rates, and you can send unlimited messages on a single click with 0% of number blocking. Is it that amazing? You can create many of users, you can create many of resellers, and you can also get an admin panel with very nominal cost.